So today's the 1st of July, which means it's time for the One Sketch Challenge hosted by Lisa over at Crafting Diva. This is the sketch that we've got for this month, and for my project I decided to make this anniversary card for my sister and her husband. I've stamped this dancing cat's image from Lesia Zgharda onto cardstock ink blended with antique linen distress oxide using Memento ink. I personally find Memento or VersaFine Clair works especially well for finer details like the whiskers on this stamp set. Since I'm using pencils to colour the image, I don't need to worry about the ink being waterproof, which is why I've chosen the Memento and not the VersaFine Clair. The good thing about having already added the antique linen distress oxide is it's already given some colour to my cats, but I'm obviously going to add some more with my polychromos pencils. For my card base I'm using Craft Card, and then for my first layer of background paper I'm using this piece from Vintage Love, which is a pad from the works. And because this has got a green tone to it, I've decided to add some bundled sage to the edge of my image. I've glued that down, and my next layer is going to be this white cardstock that I have embossed with this Leonie Poodle Dotty Heart embossing folder, and I'm going to colour over it with the Quiche Flamingo Distress Oxide. Just raise that piece up on some foam pads, and I've put this one on double foam pads so it's a bit higher than the other one. And then I want to add this sticker that I found in my stash that says Romance. I'm going to back it on some card first. There's my card finished. I actually love how this turned out. I think it's quite soft and romantic for a anniversary card as a reminder of the sketch. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to pop over to all the other channels and take a look at what everyone else has made. Until next time, cheerio.